It's for the culture, bro. Dang it. Watch out. It's impossible. If you guys didn't know, you can't throw a pair of Vans and land like upside. Oh! I just broke the universe, babe. Oh. I think I just ruined the space-time continuum. What did I just do? I just like punched a hole in time. Okay, so you guys got mad at me. I didn't play yesterday, so. I don't have anything prepared, I'm sorry. I've been so busy lately, I haven't even had time to practice piano, so I just made that up. I have a great way to start off the day. Good morning. Oh, wait. Oh, I think this thing is dead. It won't remote start today. Darn it. That's all right. Can't wait for this sucker to have an exhaust. All right, what movie are we watching today, though, fam? Uh-oh. No, I'm sorry, Japanese. Help! What is in here? Oh, that's cool. I don't know what that is, but it's in not English, and it's definitely paper, so this was pirated. That's actually really cool. You know, keep watching it. As much as I would love to focus more on the Skyline this week, I have to finish the Subaru by today because tomorrow we're dropping it off for paint. Then after that, we get to focus on this baby. I wish you guys knew how fun and how cool it is, or feels, to mob around town in an R33. Let's go work on the WRX.
Hey, you're gonna wanna move. Uh-oh.
Got that model look going on.
All right, boys.
So we got like a nice, it's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more work, but it's pretty smoothed out. There's not much I can do more to this. It was pretty dented. This door is pretty dented. This, I mean, anything is gonna look better than when we got it, so it's all right. Victoria's working on getting this tent off right now.
Except you keep blowing dust on it.
Now that this is pretty much done, I'm gonna do a little more off camera, but I don't recommend doing this, but the most efficient way I've been able to do this is by taking an angle grinder and a flapper disc and really carefully just filing it down, filing down, filing down. I've needed to remove about an inch of this, and I think that's definitely not Carlton Flair's fault. It's definitely this car's fault, and maybe a little bit with how I mounted it, but imagine this car in one color. Imagine that, dude. 2 days.
I'll just go over there.
Did it again?
Okay. Damn it.
We got this figured out a little bit. I pull the door off, it doesn't hit it, but if I just let it go, it barely rubs it. So might have to adjust the bolts on this door a little bit. We'll figure that out, but this is really close. I actually had to move the body kit down about a quarter of a centimeter or so, and it actually fits a little bit better now all the way around, so cool. Okay, use a little bit of a ghetto get up here, but I jacked the door up just a teeny bit, nothing to hurt the door, but now it don't touch the kit. Yeah, baby. It still has a little bit of a trouble opening and closing because, you know, wrecked car. But let me show you guys what this car looked like when we first bought it. And now, look at this. It's crazy. It is so awesome what this car turned out to be, considering how it was. It was absolutely destroyed. We have done frame damage. We've replaced most suspension parts, which I still have some coming in the mail. Replaced an entire quarter panel. I'll do a little recap, I guess, when the car's done, but did a lot of stuff. And then added some things. And this car is going to look very cool when it's done. I have a few more things to touch up, a couple of holes to fill up with Bondo. Really small work. While I do that, Victoria is actually gonna end up going in here and starting to clean out this. We're gonna get seats back in, and this car is gonna get ready to move. Just call me Pablo Picasso with the Bondo, baby. I'm getting good at this.
Look at that focus. That focus. So intentional. Look at that. Look at that. It's got to be precise. Nice, even scrape. Oh, he's pleased. He's pleased with it. Finish strong.
Just another quick reminder for you guys that this Monday, the 11th, for you guys, we are going to be at K1 Speed drifting their carts. They're doing a special event for us. We're having a huge meet and greet, and I want to see every single person in and around the DFW area there. I'm bringing my R33. We're bringing a bunch of merch. All you have to do is bring yourself. I want to tandem with you guys. Let's hang out. But I better see as many people from Dallas there as possible. This is the box that we started piling crap into on day 1. Finally have it back out for like just all the little stuff, and we're finally starting to put some of the interior backs together. We've got the seat belts going back in, the seats are going back in, but we're gonna get everything cleared up, and dude, I'm psyched. What crash, dude? Even though the car is nasty. This is so dusty and gross. I can't wait to clean it out and make it look nice, but it's filthy. But now we need to get the back of the seat on, and you're getting the seat.
I can sit here without cutting my butt.
Yeah, true. So you just gotta get the seat belts and stuff on, right? That one, and then back of the seats go on. One weird thing is I don't have the lining that goes back here, so I'm gonna have to buy some weather stripping to keep this secured. Whenever I close this, it closes just fine, but it wiggles just a little bit, and it needs some kind of cushioning down there, so I'll have to do that tomorrow. Okay, so here's what we've done today. We fixed the door, fixed the body kit, we, golly, put all the lining back in, so it's all good. I just need the little cover that goes over this now. So we got all the stuff inside the door, and now we need to clean it out again, but that's what happens. And I actually ended up filing down the little, okay, I need a little more sanding. Filed down and covered up that hole. That dent is no longer there. And then I went ahead and refinished this, and this should be a pretty smooth quarter panel now, which I'm really, really, really excited about. I had a lot of work to that. Covered up some holes. Realized I actually have one tail light, so I just need the other now. And we fixed this. I need to get a weather stripping, and we have a couple more things to do. We are super, super close. Done still is gonna be in about a week or so, because I still need to do the rear suspension, but getting very, very close. And we super appreciate you guys being super patient and watching all these episodes. Very excited to get it finished. My advice for you guys today is a simple one. I've actually said this one before, but this is probably one of the more important ones. Don't sit around and wait to be happy. So many people give themselves the excuse, well, when I get this promotion, I'll be happy. When I make this much money, I'll be happy. When I graduate, I'll be happy. No, you won't. No, you won't. Stop waiting on that car, that promotion, that girl. Whatever it is, I promise you, unless you can teach yourself to be happy in your current, unless you can teach yourself to be happy and thankful in your current state, exactly where you are, you will never, ever be happy. So learn to be thankful with every situation that you are placed in, because those situations that you're in are what develop you into the person that you're meant to be. So that is what I have to say to you guys today. I'm gonna go hoon around in the skyline a little bit more. I peel out everywhere, and it's so much fun. Hope I don't get pulled over, because I am still waiting for my English title. So peace. I love you all. Y'all are so amazing. Catch you guys around. Tomorrow we paint this son of a gun. Bye. Awkward. Thanks for watching, boys. But what I need you guys to do is watch 2 of the videos. Actually, just one of them. One of them's okay. Watch the videos I have right in front of your face, because they're beautiful videos. I put so much time and effort into them, and they're great. Especially the drifting one. Sounds cool.